Hello and welcome to ovesen.net. A little bit of a special unboxing video today. Maybe not that retro related, because this is brand new modern tech, but it is related to my YouTube channel. And later this week you will see my regular unboxing video where I show you this week 20 as one of the things, so stay tuned. Also today I'm testing out 4K video, and I'm filming this actually with my current phone, which I have used for all my videos actually, and my current phone is actually an iPhone XS Pro Max, and I have been really pleased with that, and it works very nice for shooting video. Anyway, that phone is now 2 years old or more, and I actually wanted a new one, and the reason I wanted a new one is that the new iPhone 12 Pro Max has an even better camera. It's yeah, from the reviews I have read on the phone, it's amazing capabilities of that camera. So here's 2 boxes. Actually it's 3 boxes, because I also purchased some accessories. I always use protection on the phones, like glass and a case. But here's the important item. Fantastic little case. So for those of you who are into other brands and Android phones, I really apologize for bringing this item to you. I'm sure you're happy with your choice, but this is actually my choice. So this is an expensive phone. It costs like 1,500 euros, and if I was to buy myself a camcorder to use on this channel, I would probably have to spend the same amount, and yeah. So let's take a look inside the box. Oh, nice. So here's the camera or cameras. Let's take it out of the box. Unveiling the screen, and this is a 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display, and that is an OLED display. And this camera, it has a lot of new feature actually, and it can now film HDR at 60 frames per second. And the weight, yeah, it's not much more than the phone I have, I think. Maybe it's even lighter. And look at the metal finish. So I already destroyed the image with fingerprints. And one thing that is not included is actually a charger. Apple has stopped delivering chargers with their phones, because now wireless charging is the new thing. So let's turn it on. So there's the familiar hello, and yeah, I'm gonna set up this phone now and then start some testing. So if you have an iPhone from before, it's really easy to set up a new phone. You just keep them together, and it will detect the other phone, and you get all the settings and everything transferred. Then it will start to download a full copy of everything you have on your phone, including images and videos and yeah, apps as well, from the iCloud. And of course, this is a 256 gigabyte phone, and that's the same as I actually have on my old phone. So, and my old phone is yeah, at least 70% full. So this will take some time to transfer over 200 gigabytes. So while I wait for that to happen, this is actually a VIC-20 I recently bought, and yeah, it is partly working. Some of the keys, at least they did not work last time I tested it yesterday, but yeah, so at least 4 keys they are not working. So when I use the iPhone to film, I actually not using the built-in camera app because it really sucks. So instead I'm using one of the most popular camera apps, at least on the iPhone. It's called the Filmic Pro, and I've been really pleased with that one. It gives me full control over all the settings, like focus and exposure and white balance and colors and everything. So let's add a protection case, and I like this thin clear protection cases. So if you care about that, I like when I can see the actual phone. And the thing is, I have taken really good care of my old iPhone, and if I sell it now, I can probably get like at least 400 or 500 euros for it. So yeah, that cuts down the cost of buying a new phone. And for the glass protection, I got this Panzer Glass Ultimate Device Protection. So I'm not gonna install this now because that requires some concentration and cleaning before. So now it's gone about 10 minutes and the phone is actually up and running, but now it starts downloading all the apps and the whole 200 gigabyte image and video gallery. So that could take a couple of days until everything is transferred from the iCloud. So now the apps are installed and I can test the Filmic Pro and actually start shooting some video. So this is the user interface, and let's see if it actually transferred the settings. So I'm gonna use, no it did not, I'm gonna use 4K filmic quality and a frame rate of 30. And also something that has bothered me before is that I had this automatic gain correction that actually damaged some of the sound in my video, so make sure that is off. And save to camera roll, yes, orientation lock. So there's a lot of settings here, so I think that is the basic one. This app actually cost a couple of, I think it was 200 NOK or like 20 euros. So let me try and film a little bit. So now you see my setup when filming. So it will be exciting to see if the video quality is any better. It's hard to get a really good impression by just looking at the screen. So as you can see, I only have this, yeah, it's a simple camera mount and with just like this selfie stick attached to it, but it makes it really flexible and I can actually adjust it to get really close-ups. So yeah, but not the best gear, of course. Alright, I'm into Davinci Resolve now, which is the video editing application I'm using, and of course editing 4K video is a little bit heavier on the machine, so I'm trying to figure out what is the optimal settings for rendering a 4K video. And anyway, this was just the first test, so So far I'm pretty pleased. Alright, that's it for this unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you don't, then just give me a thumbs down. See you in my next video, which is coming soon, and then on Friday it's another regular video, so stay tuned. Bye bye.